Keep my head up.
Been so long, I've been down, man, they holding nuts on me. Don't wanna see me make it, man, they rather see me fake it. But if I don't, yo shit, I take it. Fight back, turn him to bacon. Now he smoking with some hoes, got no hope. He shooting dope, selling coke, dead broke, pockets hurt. I'm from the dirt, do a joke, get her choke. On the back, selling crack, food stamp, not enough. Times tough, maybe hard, could be scarred. Call me Rick Hard, freestyle, got him like wow. Times tough, man, I really gotta make it if I don't, but I tried, and a lot of times I lied. Wonder why, who am I? Man, these niggas talking down, walk them down, bat them down. In the kitchen with the batter, gotta go get it when times get hard. Whole lot of shit done made me scarred. Up in the kitchen, busting the dish, I need the riches. Time for bitches, stop that capping, what's your problem? 3-2 shots, Orlando Magic, let you have it, it get tragic. And the witness, leave no clue, think that boy did like some boo. Bust a bell without a spell, get caught out, never tell. Play a role, never fail, gotta get it, palms itching, nigga crying, steady bitching. Quit my job, can't do the kitchen, home run, who was pitching? G rich, never bitching, pots and pans, steady flipping. Gold teeth, I want some slugs. Can't buy these niggas mug, acting like a fucking thug. Acrobatic, make 'em flip, many nigga is a trip. I'ma get a nigga split, on your grave, bitch I spit. Up fucking with my shit, I'll never trust shit, hell no, dumb shit. I want an AR with a drum clip, nigga mug dump it, dunk Tim Duncan. Like Hulk Hogan, rip my shirt open. Thought I was done, hell no, everything I do for fun. This gun gon' make 'em run, bet I make a nigga run. When I aim a fucking gun, many nigga honey bun. Counterfeit, full of shit, get that nigga rib hit. Turn him to a rib tip, big boss shit. Just chill, get him chill like Bill. For real, who feel, the deal, my zone. I'm calling my phone, the dial tone.